Welcome to our educational video on retirement planning and financial education. Today, we'll explore the importance of retirement planning and how it can help you secure a comfortable future. So, grab a pen and paper, sit back, and let's dive in. What is retirement planning? Retirement planning is the process of setting financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them during your retirement years. It involves making decisions about saving, investing, and managing your finances to ensure a financially stable and enjoyable retirement. Retirement planning is crucial because it allows you to maintain your desired lifestyle when you are no longer working. By planning ahead, you can have peace of mind, financial security, and the freedom to pursue your passions and enjoy your golden years. Let's break down the key steps involved in retirement planning. Assess your financial situation. Start by evaluating your current income, expenses, and assets. This will help you determine how much you can save and invest towards your retirement goals. Set retirement goals. Define your retirement lifestyle and the financial resources you'll need to support it. Consider factors such as healthcare costs, inflation, and potential long-term care expenses. Create a savings plan. Develop a strategy to save and invest for retirement. Explore options like employer-sponsored retirement plans, example, 401k, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and other investment vehicles. Manage debt. Prioritize reducing your debt to alleviate financial burdens during retirement. Pay off high-interest debts and create a plan to eliminate other outstanding obligations. Invest wisely. Learn about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Consider retirement accounts. Explore tax-advantaged retirement accounts like Roth IRAs or traditional IRAs. Understand the contribution limits, withdrawal rules, and tax implications associated with each type. Estimate your retirement income. Calculate your expected retirement income from various sources, such as Social Security, pensions, investments, and annuities. Ensure it aligns with your desired lifestyle. Adjust and review regularly. Life circumstances change, so periodically review and adjust your retirement plan. Stay informed about financial trends, revisit your goals, and make necessary modifications. Retirement planning is all about empowering individuals to make informed financial decisions. It's essential to start early, save consistently, and leverage the power of compound interest. Working with a financial advisor can provide expert guidance tailored to your specific needs. Now, let's highlight some key benefits of retirement planning. Financial security. Planning helps ensure you have enough funds to cover expenses and maintain your desired lifestyle. Flexibility and freedom. A well-executed plan grants you the freedom to retire when you choose and pursue activities you've always dreamed of. Peace of mind. By proactively managing your finances, you can minimize stress and enjoy a worry-free retirement. Legacy planning. Retirement planning allows you to protect and transfer wealth to future generations, leaving a lasting legacy. Remember, retirement planning is a journey that requires diligence, education, and adaptability. By taking the necessary steps and making informed decisions, you can enjoy a financially secure retirement. So, start planning today and make your retirement dreams a reality. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended as financial advice. Consult with a qualified financial professional for personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances. Thank you for joining us on this journey of financial education and retirement planning. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, the key to a secure and fulfilling retirement lies in taking action today. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos on financial education, retirement planning, investing, and more. Don't miss out on valuable insights and tips from experts in the field. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. help spread financial literacy and empower others to take control of their financial future. Start evaluating your financial situation and setting your retirement goals. Whether you're just beginning your career or nearing retirement, it's never too early or too late to plan for a secure future. Consider consulting a financial advisor who specializes in retirement planning. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique circumstances and help you navigate the complexities of investing and saving for retirement. Keep learning about personal finance, investing, and retirement planning. Read books, attend seminars, and explore reputable financial resources to enhance your knowledge and make informed decisions. Remember, financial education is a lifelong journey. By taking action today, you're investing in your own future and building a solid foundation for a comfortable retirement. Together, let's create a world where financial literacy is accessible to all. Thank you for watching.